Peace and blessings, everybody. I'm DJ Ples Jones, and it's time for another mental health moment. So, if you're staring at your studio equipment right now thinking, why can't I move? Stop scrolling. You look at Instagram and it seems like every other artist is already crushing it in 2026. They're dropping content, they're announcing tours, acting like they never slept. And you? Yes, you feel paralyzed. You feel like you're already falling behind, and it's only January 5th. So here's the truth. You are not lazy. You are unprotected. Your nervous system is overloaded. Everyone else is moving, but why are you stuck? So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 hidden burnout triggers that kill artists' careers in January. Most artists will ignore these, and then they'll burn out by March. But you, yes, you're going to fix them today. So burnout isn't about just being tired. Burnout is your body saying, unsafe. After the holidays, you have financial pressure, family stress, and the pressure to be a star instantly. And if you don't reset this biological switch, you lose the first quarter of the year. Period. It's that simple. So let's talk about trigger 1. Trigger 1 is invisible obligations. The text, the favors, the can you listen to my mix requests? These are vampires. They drink your creative battery even before you touch a synth, a keyboard, a piano, a drum. So here's the reset. You need a protective hour. Just one. Pick a time. Turn the phone to DND, do not disturb, or turn the phone off. If anyone asks, you say this. I'm in a creative lockdown this week. I'll get back to you Friday. And if they don't respect that, they don't respect your career. So, to recap, trigger 1 are vampire obligations, and the fix is the protected hour. So let's talk about trigger 2, money anxiety. And this is a big one. When you feel broke after the holidays, your brain craves safety. And art is risky, so your brain freezes to protect you. The danger? This is when artists sign desperate deals just to feel safe. Don't do it. Here's the reset. Minimum viable motion. Do not try to write a hit. Just record something for 15 minutes. Prove to your brain that the art is safe. So trigger 2 is money anxiety, and the fix is minimum viable motion. So let's move on to trigger 3, the audience pressure. Your fans, your followers are asking, people are asking, yo, what's next? When you dropping? They think they think that they are helping. That's what they think. But to you, it feels like a debt that you can't pay. So here's the reset. Stop apologizing for your timeline. I repeat, stop apologizing for your timeline. Use this script. I'm building something sustainable, not just fast. It's coming. That is calm authority. And that is artist immunity. So to recap, trigger 3 is audience pressure. And the fix? Stop apologizing for your own timeline. Let's move on to trigger 4, the perfection hangover. You are comparing your messy January raw files to someone else's polished best of reel. The reset. I want you to have an ugly draft week. So your goal this week is to make bad art. Quantity over quality. Just to get the gears turning and the mind moving. You can polish it later, but you can't polish zero. So trigger 4 is perfection hangover, and the fix: have yourself an ugly draft week. Trigger 5, no recovery rituals. You went from holiday chaos straight into grind mode. That is a car crash waiting to happen. Here's the reset. The 10-minute bridge. Before you touch a fader, 1 minute breathing, 3 bullet points on paper, then you work. Give your brain a bridge, or it's going to jump off a cliff. Listen to me. The artists who win this year aren't the ones who grind the hardest in January. They're the ones who protect their energy. And if you don't fix this burnout now, you're going to wake up in June wondering where the time went. But I got something for you. The Artist Burnout Checklist. It's the exact system I use to protect my peace so I can keep producing. Check the link in my bio. Download it. Fix your nervous system today so we can build your empire tomorrow. So don't get left behind. Don't lose the first quarter. Link in bio. Burnout Checklist.